There's a nice industrial work site in Kobe town. See, taking in more scaffolding, it looks like, and that's all protection, gated off, 1 and 2. Yeah, efficiency, safety. Look at that crane. Call this walking around Kobe. Checking stuff out. This section is closed. Look how well it's been cleaned. Order in the... Wow, look at this bus. Who boss? The magic boss. Ozzy says it's a limousine. We got Starbucks and then this sweet Kani restaurant. Kani is crab. Look at the genkan. So Japanese, so neat and so clean. Come for crab. Walking around Kobe, there's Kobe at night. Isn't that beautiful? Down Harborland. Nice, Ozzy. I caught you in that shot. So here's a look at a Japanese Shotengai. This one is in Kobe Town. Motomachi Shotengai, a covered shopping arcade. We just bought some snacks. Still rocking around Kobe, looking for an external hard drive and checking out all these secondhand geek stores. You see the arcade? You could win one of these fabulous dolls just by grabbing it up with that claw. Or how about some Japanese cheese? There you go. There you go. Oh, my purple devil queen. Jesus. Wow. So this is real food, and this is fake food. Can you tell the difference? Would you like a pasta, or a nice salad, or a plastic hamburger? The smoking area is an not uncommon phenomenon in Japan, and I'm noticing on this sign that even the graffiti in Japan, you look fine, I miss you, even the graffiti's nicer, for Christ's sake. This is awesome. Monorail. Hey, let's have a smoke. Let's have a smoke here.
Yeah, I don't want to do it here.
Oh, no, not that. What's cool in Kobe? Well, they've renovated the Sanomiya station on JR. Out in front of here used to be just a hot mess. There was a Koban, actually maybe the Koban, the Polybox police station is still there. But they leveled it, and we'll see what they make out of it. Probably something better than it was, because that's Kaizen. And that means continuing improvement. There's some lovely young Japanese girls for you perverts to look at. The Japanese taxis, shined. Drivers with ties on and doilies on the seats. Little at on your way in. Oh, it's an at market. Oh, it's a beer market. Hello. It's kind of cool. Historical map of Japan, and that's where Ozzy just visited, Shotoshima. Good for your olives. And they do have the Genkan is still here, but they're leveled the rest of it. Good on them.